In this video demonstration, the instructor and students are present in the classroom, with some of the students participating in the class remotely using Zoom. Before the demonstration began, the instructor logged in to the teacher workstation with their personal credentials and started the scheduled Zoom meeting. The instructor then admitted the students who were in the waiting room. In this case, Ethan and Kathy have joined remotely, while Josh and Adam are physically in the classroom. All students are logged in on their laptops, and the instructor reminded all members of the class to mute their microphones and then unmute once they've moved into breakout rooms.
So we're going to start by doing a little test of our audio to see what it sounds like within the classroom, and then for those who are remote. So Josh.
Hi everyone, my name is Josh Ackerman and I'm an instructional technology specialist.
Hi, I'm Adam Konchevsky. I am here in HAB 128 where we're doing a testing of new technology in the classroom.
Hi, this is Ethan Whitrock with Instructional Technology.
Hello, I'm Kathy Roback, and I'm logging in from off campus.
Thank you very much. Okay, so first I'm just going to show how I can use, as the instructor, these buttons up in the corner to toggle how we in the classroom on the screen see everybody. So if I'm interested in seeing everybody at the same time, I would use gallery view, or if I'm interested in the biggest square being whoever is speaking or whoever last is speaking, then I would use speaker view. I prefer this because I like being able to see everybody. So now we're going to do a breakout example. As the instructor, at the point that I put my students into breakout groups, and I have an in-class student paired with a remote student in each of my groups, I actually will be using my headset, USB headset, to be able to join each breakout group, because I want to turn off my in-classroom microphones, so that we don't end up with feedback. So I'm going to start by going to my breakout, which I already had set up. I'm going to open my rooms, and now I'm going to switch to my headset for speaker and microphone.
All right, I'm going to join my other breakout room. So now I'm going to actually send a quick message, and then I will close the rooms, and then they actually get 60 seconds for them to end, but it looks like everybody rejoined.
Okay, Kathy and Ethan, can you hear me again?
Yep.
Yes.
Okay, so in order to rejoin the regular classroom, then I needed to go back and change my speaker and my microphone to the classroom speaker and microphone instead of my headset, which I used to join the breakout groups. All right, so now that we're back in the regular class, the last thing I want to do is show that I can actually share proprietary software or special images or things that I have on my laptop without having to connect any cables. All I do on my laptop is join the meeting. So I'm just going to go to csb+SJU.zoom.us, hit my join button, and put in this meeting ID, which I could have found by hitting invite. I need to make sure that my speakers are muted on my laptop, and that I've muted myself so that we don't get a feedback loop. But now I can do a share screen from my laptop, which in this case you're just seeing a directory. But this is how I could now demonstrate some proprietary software that I have installed specifically on my laptop. And at this point now it doesn't matter if I'm running a PC or a Mac. I'm just connected to Zoom and I'm screen sharing. I'm going to stop sharing. And thank you very much, everybody, for your time. And I will stop the recording.
This was a basic overview of using the microphones and breakout rooms in our new hybrid flexible classrooms. Please reach out to Instructional Technology if you'd like to test equipment or if you have any questions. Thank you.